VEGA Australia provides world-leading level and pressure instrumentation for process industries across an entire continent. From small beginnings on Sydney's northern beaches in 1987, moving to the Sutherland Shire in the year 2000. The company has grown into a major force in Australia while retaining the company values and family orientation that characterises VEGA companies worldwide. And the key to this is honesty. Honesty to themselves and honesty to the customer. These are the core values that make VEGA Australia stand out. VEGA Australia staff understand VEGA, and they understand their customers, dealing with unique applications from coast to coast. And delivering solutions, not just products. Now, a new era begins with the opening of the new VEGA Australia headquarters in Caringbah. With space to grow and space to learn. And space to breathe. Fully owned by VEGA Australia, this new facility has been designed from the ground up to answer the demands of today's and tomorrow's customers. A modern, bright and environmentally friendly place to work. Uniquely Australian, while acknowledging our heritage from the Black Forest. A warehouse that will hold double the inventory, allowing more orders to be filled from stock. A training centre where VEGA staff and customers will gain deep knowledge of measurement technology and applications. And the communications infrastructure to help manage a territory that spans 3 time zones, while working alongside the technical resources of VEGA headquarters in Germany. VEGA Australia, delivering solutions, not just products.